In the quiet moments before the world awakens, a gentle truth emerges. It's the understanding that courage doesn't always roar from the mountaintops. More often, it's a soft, persistent whisper in the stillness of dawn, a private promise you make to yourself. Try again tomorrow. This isn't a declaration for the world to hear, but a quiet pact with your own resilience, a recognition that the journey continues, one sunrise at a time. Let's be honest, not every day will feel strong. There will be mornings when the weight of yesterday still lingers, when your spirit feels heavy and the path forward seems shrouded in fog. You are not a machine, you are a human being, and it is perfectly okay to feel the strain. Some mornings you wake up tired, discouraged, unsure. You might look in the mirror and see only the struggle, the fatigue etched into your reflection. On these days, the most courageous act is not to demand strength, but to offer yourself compassion. Acknowledge the weariness without judgment. Allow yourself to be exactly where you are. This is where you begin again, not with a leap, but with a single, mindful breath. Inhale calm, exhale doubt. Ground yourself in the present moment. Find a simple ritual, the warmth of a cup of tea, the steam swirling in a sunbeam, the gentle stretch of your muscles waking up. These small acts of self-care are anchors, reminding you that you are here now. They are the foundation upon which you can rebuild your day. But waking up and trying again is its own kind of victory. Celebrate the small wins, making your bed, writing a single honest sentence in a journal, simply opening the curtains to let the sunlight touch your face. Each one is a quiet declaration of intent, a testament to your will to move forward. These are not trivial accomplishments. They are the building blocks of momentum, the proof that you are showing up for yourself. This is the essence of persistence. It is not loud or dramatic. It's quiet resilience. It's the decision to tie your shoes when you'd rather stay put. It's the steady rhythm of your own breath, a silent drumbeat of endurance. True strength isn't about never falling. It's about the grace and grit with which you rise. Remember that every sunrise gives you another chance to rewrite your story. The mistakes and setbacks of yesterday do not define the potential of today. The sun rises without fail, offering its light and warmth unconditionally, inviting you to begin anew. And you deserve to take it. You are worthy of this fresh start, this clean slate. You deserve to grant yourself the same grace that a new day offers the world. Place a hand on your heart and feel its steady beat. That is the rhythm of life, the possibility of another chance. Lasting success, deep fulfillment. It belongs to those who return again and again. It is forged not in singular moments of triumph, but in the daily, often unseen practice of returning to the path. It's for those who show up on the hard days as well as the easy ones. So, when today is done, let it go. And when the sun rises once more, wake up tomorrow and try again. Because trying again is not a sign of failure. Trying again is strength in its purest, most honest form.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.